So the market today actually closed really high. Actually, there was a record set. The three indexes, the S&P 500, the Nasdaq, and the Dow Jones, all ended up on a record high today since 1999, I believe. And as you can tell from my own portfolio, that it actually rose pretty well. And compared to yesterday, I didn't record it yesterday, but yesterday was probably the worst pullback that I experienced, at least on my portfolio, and I was down almost 0.25%, maybe 30%. I'm not sure, but it's practically all my earnings. And now today we pulled back up to about $7.83 in profit. About two new changes. I bought more shares of GM because they're doing pretty well. If you look right now, in the short term, they have a trend going upward, and also it looks like they're going to break 32. Hopefully, if they do, then I'll probably buy more. And then overall, they're in a sideways market overall, but maybe they'll break through. So that's what I'm looking forward to, and also their dividend. And then also I said on the last video that I'm going to buy Disney, and I did. However, I bought Disney at the wrong time. I believe I bought Disney around 98-ish instead of 94 when I should have bought it. But I bought it pretty late, so it hurt me a little. But if I bought it at 94, I'd be profiting pretty well. Unfortunately, I didn't, so that sucks. So right now I'm losing about $2, which kind of sucks. And I have 3 shares of Disney. So Reynolds Incorporated, it actually broke above 50, which is really good, because they had a lot of resistance at 50-ish. There was a resistance around 50.25, so I wonder if they'll break in the next couple of days or next week or so. So yeah, everything's going well. Ford is actually going up. It was on an increase as well. It looks like any S&P 500 company is doing well as of now. Disney again is doing better. They actually bought a portion of BAMTech, their streaming services, to make up for the loss in viewership from ESPN. So that's doing well. And Disney's very aggressive to get that get their share or their market price up, because as you can tell, they're in a sideways market right now, and they've always been an uptrending market until recently. So I'm pretty sure they'll pull this back. It's going to be a long-term investment, of course. So later, they'll probably be back up to 100, 120 or so. But it'll be a very long time before that would happen. So that's it for today. I invested about another $200, I believe, to GM and Disney. And I think I might be buying more shares of Reynolds and more shares of GM. GM once it breaks 32. Reynolds if it breaks 50 or 51, one of the two. Bank of America, I'm not sure I'm going to hold on to it forever, but it was just one of those things I'll just buy and see what happens, because I only bought one share. What the hell. So that would be it for today. If you guys enjoy this video, please leave a like, comment, subscribe, whatever. Do whatever you want. And I'll see you guys next time.